Hey everybody, welcome to Country Girl. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to put together my daughter's Easter baskets this year. I wanted to go ahead and get this out now. That way if there was any ideas or anything that you see that you're interested in doing, you still have time to do that. And with that being said, being that I do have teenagers, as they get older, they tend to be a little harder to shop for. It's not as simple as it was before when I could go into the Dollar Tree and go to the little toy section and buy all these cute little toys and things like that for them. Over the past few years, I have been filling their baskets with smaller items that was more age appropriate, but at the same time, they've either gotten too many that they can't use everything that they've got, like lip glosses, body washes, things like that, or they just forget about them and they don't get used. So this year I decided I was going to do something a little bit different, and instead of buying them a bunch of smaller items, I did get them bigger items. So they won't have as many things, but these things still cost as much, if not more. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you what I'm going to do for them. Now the first thing that I picked up for them, I thought this was really cute. I saw this at Walmart one night when I was shopping with my mother. And, you know, this is just something that they can take with them, you know, if they're going to the movies, out with friends, anything like that. These pretty little backpacks. And I'll show you, this is one of them. I'll show you the other design in a minute. But I really like these because it has a little zipper here you can pull down and open up. And that way, if you just wanted to reach your hand in there to get something, you could without having to actually open the whole entire top part of this, you know, little bag. And it also has like a little carry handle here so that they can, you know, carry their bag by this if they wanted to. But I just thought these were really cute. They were only $9.99 a piece. So I did get one for Madeline and one for Caitlin, and because my girls are so picky now, I have to ask them what they want, because I pick up stuff like this and then they don't like what I pick out because they don't like my taste. So I did send them a picture of it and ask them which one was her favorite. Madeline liked this one, and then Caitlin said that she liked this one, and this is just like a navy blue with white stripe, and it, of course, you know, does have the same feature. They had a lot of different designs and styles of these. They had a lot of solid colors as well. And yeah, so anyway, this is what I got. And what my plan is I'm going to fill these up with different things. At first I was not going to put out an Easter basket because, you know, I'm using this kind of like in the place of the Easter basket. But Madeline says I should not be breaking tradition. So I'm going to probably incorporate that Easter basket in this somehow, and I will just show you a picture at the end how I set everything up once I get it the way I want it to be. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start with Madeline's, and basically I'm going to put their candy in something different. And if you watch my other hauls, you'll know, or my other videos, you'll know that I hauled these cute little plastic bunnies that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And I just absolutely love these things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and put as much of their candy in these as I possibly can. I hope that I can get everything to fit. The only thing that I will not get to fit is their chocolate bunny, because Madeline said that she had to have a chocolate bunny this year. So we'll see how that goes. But anyway, so I got this for them. I got them some Bolero products. This is a new hibiscus and pink clay, and I did haul this in one of my other videos. So I'm not going to go into detail with this, but this is the face wash. This is the bath salts. Of course, this is the face wipes. And then this is something new that they have in that line. It's the face serum. So all of these items are going to go in this bag. And so the other item that I got to go in this bag is they're each getting a bathing suit. And when we went to Walmart the other night, Madeline picked out this one. This is the bottoms and the design. This little bathing suit was $7.96 for the bottoms and then $7.96 for the top. So it was $16 for this, you know, bathing suit. So this is the top. And I am going to put that down in there. I thought about getting them some sunglasses to go with it, but they already have sunglasses. And to be honest with you, this is enough for Easter. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this up, and then I'll get the bag done, and then I'll show you how I fill up the candy. Okay, so basically I'm going to put the heavier items in the bottom so that it's, you know, it'll stand up pretty good. And then I'm just going to put this in there. And then I'm going to fill up the rest of this space with some tissue paper. This is another reason why I like to buy the 35 sheets for $1 because, you know, you're getting a better deal for your money. So that's how that's going to look standing up. And I'm going to go ahead and do Caitlin's, and then we'll get started on the candy. And I did get Caitlin the same stuff. Hers is just in a different scent. Hers is in the coconut and rose oil. Now, I did not show you her bathing suit, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Caitlin's was a little bit more expensive, but the girls said that they were going to share the bathing suits, so it all was going to end up working out well. But this is the bathing suit that I got for Caitlin. And then the back just kind of like crisscrosses and then ties. This is a really cute little bathing suit. So that's the bottoms, and the sides got the little keyhole thing here. So that is going in hers. So I'm going to show you the candy that I got. Normally I do not buy bunnies this big, but Madeline says she wanted one. I usually get the smaller bunnies, you know, just because they take up less room in your basket. And this definitely ain't going to fit in one of these. So normally I buy them like the Reese peanut butter eggs, but she says she wanted a Reese bunny this year, so they're getting an Easter bunny. So anyway, I got each one of them, one of the Reese peanut butter eggs, and these were $10 a piece at Walmart. So I picked up a pack of these Twix eggs, and I am going to take them out. Got them the double bubble eggs, egg-shaped bubble gum. Then I got these Cadbury caramel eggs. You get 5 in here. They're getting 2 each, and I'm getting the 5th one. Then, of course, Madeline was with me when I bought all this candy, so she's not going to be surprised at all when it comes to the candy things. It's kind of like a Fun Dip, but the Fun Dip part is in the bottom, and then you got your little sucker is like the baby bottle part. And there was 3 in a pack. The flavors was strawberry watermelon, and then Easter berry. So they're going to each get one of these, and then I'll probably give my nephew Eli the other one. And then I bought a bag of assorted different chewy type candy. You get Sweet Tarts, the regular Sweet Tarts, the Sweet Tart Chews, the Laffy Taffy, and the Laffy Taffy is the lemon raspberry, orange sorbet, and then you get Nerds. So I got a pack of these, and I'm going to not give them all of this, but I am going to put some of each one in their little bunnies. And I'll probably give them each 2 of each one. All right, so let me see if I can get any of this to fit. I'll put the bigger item in here first, which of course is the gum. It's going to take up the majority of the space here. And then I'm going to give them, I may only give them 2 of the Twix. Put that down in here like that. Put their baby bottle maybe up in here. So I'm going to put the other eggs there, and then I'm going to fill in the space with this candy that I've got here. And it looks like the Nerds that you get is blue rainbow and pink rainbow. So gave each one of the Nerds, and then 2 of the original Sweet Tarts. Then I'm going to give them 2 each of the Laffy Taffy and the orange sorbet and the lemon raspberry. And then they had the chewy Sweet Tarts, so I'll give them 2 of those as well. And what I'll probably do with any leftover candy is I'll probably just put it in a candy dish that I have. So that is the bunny filled up with candy. There is the little bunny. Let's see what this tastes like. Really good. Okay, so this is the girls' Easter baskets. This is the only Easter grass that I could find. I think I had it left over from last year when I bought it at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to put a couple of these down in the bottom of each one. So this is what the Easter basket and Easter goodies look like when I got done with them. Of course, this one's Madeline's, the next one is Caitlin's. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.